Hello guys, my name is Akalai. And today we are going to talk about something very unusual and invisible. This is space weather. It originates on the sun and can change life on Earth. We all know that the sun is our main source of heat and light. But did you know that the sun behaves like a real capricious wizard? And even the Earth feels it? Sometimes it sends invisible streams of energy into space that can reach Earth. Scientists call this phenomenon space weather. Pretty cool, right? But here raises the question. What is the reason for space weather? Why does space weather occur at all? The reason is very simple, the sun. Imagine the sun sometimes blowing a wind, only this wind isn't made of air, but of energy and charged particles. It's called the solar wind. When this wind reaches Earth, it collides with its magnetic field. This is what causes space weather. We can't see it, but it can affect our lives and technology. What do you think? How many types of space weather we have? There are several types of space weather. One of them is solar wind, which we already talked about. Second one is solar flares. A solar flare is an intense burst of radiation or light on the sun. Solar flares are the most powerful explosions in the solar system. The biggest ones can have as much energy as 1 billion hydrogen bombs. And CME coronal mass ejections, they are giant clouds of particles flying toward us. Now let's look at how space weather affects people in different fields. Hi, astronaut. Can you please share with us your experience with the space weather?
Sure. When storms occur, we have to hide in special compartments to avoid receiving excess radiation.
Hi.
Hi, pilot. Please share with us your experience.
Powerful space weather sometimes interferes with radio and navigation, which negatively affects my work.
And lastly, let's see what ordinary people from Earth experience the space weather, for example, photograph.
I have no complaints about space weather. I see incredible auroras and can photograph them.
I can relate to photographer, because space weather can paint incredible pictures in the sky, the aurora borealis, as if the universe itself were playing with colors. And this happens when particles from the sun meet the Earth's magnetic field, lighting up our celestial screen with millions of lights. Fortunately, scientists know how to deal with it. They monitor the sun with satellites, give early warnings about solar storms, and design technologies that can withstand the impacts of space weather. To conclude, our star significantly influences the Earth's environment. Space weather is an invisible force that affects us all. We can't stop it, but we can learn to understand it and protect ourselves. Thank you for being with me. And may luck smile upon everyone who loves space.